This is how to lock the starting position of the chart when changing time frame. So the starting position here is April 20th, 2026. And I want to move to the 4-hour, but keep this area. I right click on the canvas, go to settings. I find myself in scales and lines and I scroll down. By toggling this choice here, save chart left edge position when changing interval. So I click on this and I change time frame to 4 hours. Now we see the chart approximately started from the same place. Maybe it was 1 day off. And now the chart in the 4-hour shows the price data that I was looking at on the daily. So let's see it again. 4-hour here, March 17th. I go to daily and we see the daily chart here starts from March 17th. Have a great day, guys.